Test your credit knowledge. Which of the following actions can improve your credit score? C. Paying bills on time. What percentage of your credit score is based on payment history? B. 35%. How long do negative items typically stay on your credit report? C. 7 years for most items, but bankruptcies can stay for up to 10 years. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. Visit www.creditmoneymachine.com for a zero-knowledge professional results 15-second processing software. Schedule your private session at www.lmrcalendar.com today.